This I thought I should just tell. There may be some computer science students. I don't think anybody who studies computer science should not be aware of this man, Donald Knuth. Okay, so he is considered a giant figure. So these textbooks that he is writing, Art of Computing, are really like Bibles. Okay, Veda, if you want to use Indian terminology, if you want to use that. So that is something which is a remarkable thing. And he says the reason for doing this. See, my major failing as a teacher was that I wasn't able to get a single one of my 28 PhD students to realize what a thrill it was to work with the source material. So the source material, by which we mean this source material which are available to us, that is something which is very interesting, by which we will be able to see the evolution of thought. So how things were done at a different stage, in a different context, in a different method. So that is something which is important. Now, these are the various forms of that infinite series. The terribly slowly converging series has been converted into fast converging, and each of them is a basically refined expression. As you can see, so you have power 5 coming in the denominator, which means it will be very fast converging. Okay. Now comes the story. What is your name, sir? So now you see why it has happened. So when this series was communicated by someone who studied with the help of local pundits, this is Charles Wish. This is in 1820s. He communicates this series to a higher authority for publication in a journal. So what happens is it goes on for almost 8 to 9 years, back and forth. Okay, and the other person there, he says, you see, the Hindus never invented the series. So it was communicated with many others by Europeans to some learned natives in modern times. Mr. Wish sent a list of various methods. And the reason is I requested him to make further inquiries, and his reply was he had reasons to believe them to be entirely modern and derived from Europeans. Observing that not one of those used the rules could demonstrate them. You understand? So if you know some formula and if you are not able to derive, it means so that is the kind of argument that is being presented. You understand? If somebody who is using some local fellow does not know how to arrive at this derivation of this series, so this means that the previous people did not. Okay, that is the kind of a thing. And he finally says it is too ridiculous to deserve refutation. So this is the kind of attitude which seems to have been there at some point, and he had to struggle for almost 8-9 years, and then finally it got published. Okay, and the concluding remarks. So all of us know of this Manjul Bhargava. So he was mentioning, soon after he received this in 2014, he was asked, students in India, he says, see, middle power in mathematics despite its famed legacy. His understanding goes like this: students in India should be taught about the great ancient Indian mathematicians like Panini se shuru kiya. You understand? So he is a grammarian, but grammarian, lot of logical thinking which has gone in constructing this grammar, and therefore he considers it very important. So mathematics is always absolutely logical. Okay, so it is in this sense he uses Panini, and we of course gave some examples of Pingala, and he talks about Aryabhatta, Hemachandra, Bhaskara, and so on. The reason he says is, see, they inspired me and they would inspire students across India. Okay, so this is something which is very important, and they have been conveyed in beautiful poetry. So हमारा education system ऐसा है. Okay, so this is how it is. So if they follow something, you also have to follow. So there is no other go. Okay, now let me conclude with Raman's quotation. So since it is National Science Day, so Raman, he says, we have, I think, developed an inferiority complex. I think what is needed in India today is the destruction of this defeatist spirit. We need a spirit of victory, a spirit that will carry us to our rightful place under the sun, a spirit which will recognize that we as inheritors of this proud civilization. How will this ever come unless you teach any of them? Okay, so that is all it is. So if that indomitable spirit were to arise, nothing can hold us back from achieving the rightful destiny. Okay. So one way to do this is to get rid of the problem, is to make citizens of our nation to shed away the cultivated ignorance by making them aware of their own scientific heritage. So efforts should be made to highlight important discoveries made in India, at least in school or in college. Okay, something should be done, definitely. History as taught in schools is hardly useful. It is essentially social history, talking about various things, suppression, oppression, and so on. And the scientific and technological achievements in India, which is either absent or misrepresented or presented in a banal manner. Okay, so effort should be launched to see that this is something which is brought forth. Thank you.